Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2015 Volkswagen Caddy, stock number 6982. It's run from the 8th 2010 to the 6th 2015. Has a CAYD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CAYD 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Front guard no dents. Left front 15-inch steel wheel tyre. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate 1 dent. Right hand tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel tyre. Right rear door 1 dent and a crease. Right front door no dents. Right front guard. Right front 15-inch steel wheel tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Aftermarket Alpine touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.